Hello students, in this class we just carry forward our last topic, that is concept of national income. So we discussed already 4 concepts, that is GDP at market price, that is gross domestic product at market price, gross domestic product at factor cost, net domestic product at market price and net domestic product at factor cost. We just recall that first. After then we start our fresh topic. So first we what we study like gross and net. If we move from gross to net, then we deduct depreciation from this, and when we move from net to gross, then again we add depreciation in this. Clear? Same as it is. Factor cost and market price. Clear? So when we move from factor cost to market price, we just add a less, like taxes, indirect taxes mainly, minus subsidies. Clear? And here if we move from market price to factor cost, then we deduct taxes and add subsidy. Clear? So this is two adjustment. So first of all we just understand, we just read out like gross domestic product on both, that is one time on MP and other on FC. Same as it is, we already discussed about net domestic product on MP and FC. We already discussed the questions of this. Now we are on our next topic. We have to calculate the national income. So we have to convert domestic into national. Clear? So now there one more adjustment, that is for domestic to national. Like what is domestic? What is domestic? We already discussed that domestic boundaries, domestic territories of India is like first of all geographical, political, air territorial limits and water territorial limits. So in this, if we calculate goods produced, what is the definition of GDP? Basically in an accounting year, production of goods and services in an accounting year, production of goods and services in a domestic territory of India are known as GDP. Clear? Are known as GDP. Further, if we will take it market price or factor cost respectively. Clear? So here the domestic territory means to say that is geographical boundaries, political boundaries, water territorial limits and air territorial limits. So we just discuss like we have to calculate the national income. So there are some people who are working out of India. Same as it is, there are some people who are from abroad in India. So they are earning from India to abroad. Same as it is, our people are earning from abroad to India. So those income which are earned by India are add on this, and same as it is, those income are earned by the outsiders people, earned by the foreigners are deduct from this. That is why we convert the domestic concept to national concept. So there is a two concepts. First one, factor income. Factor income from that means we earning from India, we earning from outside. So factor income from abroad add minus factor income to abroad. What is this? Like my father working if outside India, my brother working outside India, then to abroad. So they earn from abroad to India. So that is why we add factor income from abroad. same as it is if abroad, if people from abroad, if people from foreigners, so they earn from India, so same as it is we deduct. Clear? Like scientists, like engineers, like embassies, so they are the working from India and to India also. Clear? So same as it is, if we are moved from national to domestic, vice versa, from minus and to add. Clear? So there are 4 concepts also. First of all, gross national product, same as it is FC and MP. Clear? And next, net national product at FC and MP also. Clear? So there are 4 concepts and they are 4 concepts. So total there are 8 concepts. First of all, GDP MP we already discussed, GDP FC we already discussed, NDP FC, NDP MP, now GNP MP, GNP FC, NDP FC, NNP FC and NNP MP. Now what is the national income? So if question ask about to calculate national income, it means always we have to calculate the NNP FC. Hope you understand. Clear? There are 3 adjustments. First, when we convert from gross to net, then we deduct depreciation from gross concept to net concept. Clear? Now net to gross, then we add depreciation. Same as it is, if we move from factor cost to market price, then we add taxes and less subsidies, and vice versa if in case of market price to factor cost. Same as it is here, we just move on to domestic to national. When we move from domestic to national, we just add those income which earned by Indians from abroad. From abroad, बाहर से लेकर आ रहे हैं हम लोग. Clear? Same as it is, those income which are earned by foreigners from India, then we deduct those incomes. So here to abroad we deduct. When we convert from domestic to national, when we convert from domestic to national. Clear? Okay. And vice versa, like when we convert national to domestic, from minus to plus. What is from? When India earned from abroad, which that is minus, and to, that is foreigners earned from India. Clear? Okay. So we just move on to our notes. NDPFC, we just discussed 4 concepts. This first one is GDP MP, gross domestic product at MP, we already discussed it. GDPFC, okay. NDPMP, clear. And now NDPFC, okay. So there are 4 concepts. Now we just move on to our next concept, that is GNP MP. And bole to national, national means we convert domestic to national, and when we convert domestic to national, that means we just add those incomes which are earned by Indians from abroad. Clear? And we deduct those income which are earned by foreigners from India. Clear? भाई सीधी सी बात है, जो आ रहा है उसको ऐड कर लो, जो जा रहा है उसको लेस कर दो. क्लियर? तो अब जब हम लोग वहां से कमा के लेके आएंगे तो वो इनकम हमारे लिए बेनिफिट है. क्लियर है ना? तो वो बेनिफिट है तो हम उसको ऐड कर लेंगे, और जो इनकम यहाँ से बाहर जा रही है वो हमारे लिए लॉस है, बिकॉज हमारी इनकम कम हो रही है, वो लेके जा रहे हैं यहाँ से, तो हम उसको लेस कर देंगे. क्लियर? सो हियर GNP MP, MP that means it inclusive of taxes and subsidies adjustment. GNP MP refers to the market value of all the final goods. Again there is a final goods, and what are the final goods which are ready for use? These are 2 types, consumer goods and producer goods. Clear? And services produced by the normal resident of a country during an accounting year. What is mean by resident and what is mean by citizen, we already discussed it, but just I give light on this topic. That is, citizenship is acquired by the birth, clear, or obtained by the birth or by the application of law, clear. Same as it is resident when you are living in India in a particular accounting year for a definite period which is prescribed by income tax. So that is, the person is known as resident of India. Even if any person which is a foreign citizen, who is a foreign citizen, if India for a definite time period, clear, like 182 days, maybe there is a changes, but if he living, suppose if we take the example that act mention, income tax act mention the 182 days for the resident person. So if I am living in India 182 days for an accounting period, then I am a resident of India. So here, if resident of India earn, produce goods and services, clear, of a country during an accounting year, then known as GNP, clear. Here GNP-MP, that means GDP-FC plus net factor income from abroad. What is net factor income from abroad? Here, like we just draw for NIT, when we know about the NIT, what is NIT? NIT like tax, suppose tax are 1500 and subsidies are 350. So what is NIT? When you minus this 2514. So there is, when you deduct the adjustment 1500 and 350, so is 1150. So here we are like 1150 is NIT, so directly we add NIT. Same as it is, suppose factor income from abroad. Factor income from abroad is like 17,000, clear, and to abroad मतलब हमारे पर्सन बाहर से जो कमा के लेके आया वो है 17,000. ओके, नाउ टू अब्रॉड जो वहाँ के पर्सन यहाँ से कमा रहे हैं, सपोज देयर आर 12,500. So when we minus this, because this one is minus and this one is plus, so we just give the effect of this, clear. Hope you understand. Now this is net factor income from abroad. Now it may be in plus or it may be minus. Sometimes there is a possibility that the foreigners earn more from India and we earn less from abroad. So there may be a possibility that it will be on minus. So that is okay. We just give adjustment. In the question, it must be noted that GNP-MP can be less than GDP-MP when NFI is negative. Clear? Suppose your GDP-MP is 50,000. Now you have to give effect of N. You have to calculate GNP-MP. So when we convert D to N, factor income, suppose factor income from abroad. Factor income from abroad is 12,000. Clear? And factor income to abroad is 22,000. So the minus value is bigger than the 10,000 is in minus. So GNP value is 40,000. Clear? So the statement said that it must be noted that GNP-MP can be less than GDP-MP. Now this is GDP-MP is 50,000 and GNP-MP is 40,000. Clear? Maybe possibility because it we don't know exact data that how the in what amount from outside people are earning from India. Clear? So there may be negative case also. Negative, so NIFA may be negative more, so that is why GDP is more than GNP. However, GNP MP will be more than GDP MP when NFIA is positive. If there is a reverse data, if there is a from and there is 2, so then 10,000 is in plus, then the answer will be 60,000. Okay, we just give an example, we just take an example like suppose GDP FC is 50,000. Okay, so depreciation is like 3,200. Okay, now taxes are 12,000 and subsidies are 7,400. Clear? Now factor income from abroad, factor income from abroad is suppose 80,000 and factor income to abroad is 54,500. Clear? So now you have to calculate NNP MP. Just give 2 minutes to question, then we will solve it. Okay, so we are on solution like first of all where we are and where we want to reach. So here G to N, so gross to net there is a depreciation less, so less depreciation 50,000 minus depreciation there is 3,200 0,0864. Clear? Now D to N, from D to N, domestic to national. When we convert domestic to national, then we add domestic factor income from abroad and less factor income to abroad. Clear? So add 80,000. 0,086 or this. Clear? Now less 54,500. Zero, 0, 3, 2, 12 minus 5, 7, 72,300. We are on, this is what? This is NDP. Clear? अभी तक हम FC पर हैं. Clear? Here we are on NNPFC. Now we have to convert FC to MP, factor cost to market price. When we are from factor cost to market price, then we add taxes and minus subsidies. So add taxes, that is 12,000, add, so here 0, 0, 3, 4 and 8, and minus subsidies, that is 7,400, 7,400, 13 minus 4, that is 9. Clear? 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7, 6. Clear? Now 7. Okay. So the final answer is NNPMP. Clear? Okay. So we just move on to notes with for the next concept. The next concept is GNP FC. Just a difference between MP and FC. Here we just deduct the net indirect taxes. Same as it is calculation when we here. So GNP MP. So just depreciation. Here we add again in I just move on to GNP FC. Here GDP FC, GNP FC. So D just convert and just. Okay. So that is 50,000. Factor income add. So 80,000 add and 54,500 minus. So 80,000 add is 1,30,000 and minus 54,500. 005 005 9 minus 4 5 and here 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, that is 7. So that is GNP FC. We just we don't deduct depreciation without giving effect of FCMP, just convert D to N only. So GNP FC refers to gross factor value of all the final goods and services produced by the normal resident of a country during an accounting year. GDP FC, GNP FC minus net indirect taxes. Then we are on GDP FC. Next one, NNP MP. NNP MP. NNP MP बोले तो here net gross minus depreciation. Okay. When national, then for net factor income from abroad plus. Clear? Next at MP. So if FC, then add taxes or minus subsidies, and if on MP, then leave it on MP. Clear? Here the formula is NNP MP. If you want to calculate NNP MP, then GNP MP minus depreciation. Too easy. And the last one, NNP FC. Here the national income. When we calculate this, this is the national income. When question asks to calculate the national income, so understand that you have to calculate NNP FC. Clear? So what is NNP FC? With the all adjustment. Clear? If your answer, if your question is on MP, then you have to convert it on into FC, same as it is gross to net and D to N. D to N net factor income from abroad add करना पड़ेगा. Clear? So NNP FC refers to the net money value of all the final goods and services produced by the normal resident of a country during an accounting year. And NPFC is equals to GNP MP minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes. Why minus net indirect taxes? Because it is on FC. The question asked about the FC. Clear? It must be noted that NNPFC is also known as national income. So these are the 8 concepts. We just give, I just give the more example in question form. So first, suppose there are gross domestic product. You have to calculate gross domestic product at MP. at FC. Okay, at FC. You have to calculate GDP FC, and the data is given like, first of all you have to given NNP MP. So NNP MP is 22,000 and depreciation is 3,400. Taxes are 5,700 and subsidies are, suppose 3,100. Here the NFIA is 12,000. You have to calculate GDP FC by the given data, from the given data. So where we are on GDP NNP MP, and we where we want to reach, we gross net to gross, the adjustment are reverse, because in normal question till we just solve the normal question where the adjustment are in sequence. Here the adjustment are reverse in case of reverse adjustment. So here the question is given is 22,000. 22,000 is your NNP MP. So we have to move to N to G, that is depreciation add. So 3400. Here we add 3400, that is 4, 5 and 2. Here is G N P MP. We just give a single adjustment of depreciation. Clear? Now the N to D. When we move from D to N, we just add NFIA. And now we move to N to D, we just less NFIA. So now in the question there is N and asked to calculate D. So we have to deduct 12,000. 0, 0, 4, 5 minus 2, 3 and 2 minus 1, 1. Clear? Okay. So now here we are on NNP MP. Now we have to move on from MP to FC. When we are on FC and we want to calculate or we want to move to MP, then we add taxes and less subsidies. Here we just move from MP to FC. So here taxes are minus and subsidies are plus. So tax minus 5700 minus 0077 and add subsidies 3100 008 and the answer is GDP FC. Clear? We just take a single example more for the different cases. Here you have to calculate national income. And what is mean by national income? The national income means NNPFC. you have to given GDPFC. Clear? GDPFC is 18,000. Okay. So now depreciation is 2400. Okay. Taxes are 15,000. Subsidies are 13,500. And NFIA, net factor income from abroad, is minus 2,800. Now in this question you have to calculate NNPFC or national income. Clear? Okay. So here we are. GDPFC is given like 18,000. Now G2N. So minus depreciation. We have to deduct depreciation. So when depreciation is deducted from it, then 0, 0, 6. Clear? 7 minus 2, that is 5 and 1. Clear? D2N, when we move from domestic to national, we just add NFIA. And when we move here, NFIA minus. So D2N, we just move from D to N also. So here from D to N we have to add NFIA, but here in the question NFIA is in minus. May be possible because it may be possible that from India, the income from abroad is less than the income to abroad. May be possible, वहाँ के लोग हमसे ज़्यादा कमा के लेके चले गए. It may be possible. Okay. So minus 2800. So we have to deduct it. 0, 0, 16 minus 8, 8, 4 minus 2, 2, and this is your NPFC. Again, the question is asked about the FC and the data is also given in FC. So we just don't use this data. Again I repeat that in the question there is a multiple type of information, but you have to pick one, only those which you need. क्लियर? जिसकी आपको ज़रूरत हो आप वही इंफॉर्मेशन पिक करेंगे. आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है अच्छे से देख लीजिए पहले कि दैट वी आर ऑन नाउ GDPFC and we have to move to NNPFC. Now G to N, okay, at D to N there is adjustment PFC and FC. So required भी FC है और दिया भी FC है, तो we just don't give the adjustment of MP and FC. Okay. So there is a multiple type of information, but you choose to those one which you need according to your question. Okay. So if I just change this question, like I just here, suppose here the question is asked about NDPFC and here is GNPFC. So now we have to move from N to D. N to D. What I am trying to say that if adjustment is in minus and we have also minus, so what is the adjustment of this? So N to D, from N to D. So here minus NFIA, or here also given in minus. So minus minus plus. So we adjust 8, 2, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 and 8, 14 and 6, 2, 8 and this one. So don't confuse, be practice, keep practicing. So that is why your concept will be more clear. Okay, so there are 8 concepts which we discussed, that is gross domestic product at factor cost at MP also. Next one is net domestic product at FC and MP, clear. GNP at FC and MP and NNP at FC and MP, clear. So this is the basic concept which we discussed about the national income. In next class we just move on to our methods of calculating national income. Till then you just practice, keep practice, because there is a lots of adjustment in national income and they have the huge weightage in your syllabus, clear. So there we have no option apart from study. So keep practicing. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.